finally, this is day 102 of BMing bait. I'm hoping this guy's playing well. This guy's playing bait. Nice. 'Cause I've played like 2 games before this, so I'm trying to find bait. So finally, cool. These spirits, he has a slight counter to my Infinite Dragon. I might have to lower the game's audio later, but that's just YouTube videos, so it doesn't really matter. He goes for the defensive cannon. Alright. That means I can probably go E-Giant to the back. If he pushes the other lane, I have my bowler with his knight and like princess. We can just do that. Alright, he's probably trying to cycle to another cannon, so that means I'm just gonna lightning it. Just gonna do that. We're gonna lightning this. And yeah. We're gonna get the slight connection. He's probably gonna spend a lot of elixir on this. He has the new evolution actually. I'm gonna start BMing. Let's just start BMing. Dark Prince. Dark Prince. More. BM him. Yes. Let me show you a trick I used to do.
Let's go.
Oh fuck, that's okay. Oh, this guy's actually gonna get some value. What? He went too aggressive with this. Kinda crazy. My cat is near me, he wants me to pet her. Let me just pet her. He's so cookie. Just here. It's probably gonna barrel again, so I'll do a second turn in the back, and I want him to rocket it so that he can waste the rocket. If he doesn't rocket it, I'm just gonna go behind the back, because if I go behind the bridge, he's gonna rocket both and get rally. That's good. He probably exited the game. He raged it. That's nice. Let's just finish this off. Tomorrow, I promise, I'm gonna lower the game's audio because it's kinda annoying, I'm not gonna lie. I agree. This is kinda annoying. Let's just, take another tower. BM. This was a quick day, but let me just go lower the game's audio. So that for future days I don't forget. Audio. I think I want to go maybe. Is this even? No, this is not the correct one, right? Oh, this is the correct one, yeah. Okay, I think now it's good for futuristic videos, but this is day 102, so that was nice. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, today didn't have any activities, so I don't have anything to talk about. But yeah, that was it.